And we are going to begin with some breaking news coming in at this point in time. And this is about Rahul Gandhi's chopper that remained grounded for around an hour yesterday in Godda in Jharkhand. Now we are learning that Election Commission officials have checked Rahul Gandhi's helicopter in Amravati, Maharashtra. So this is an inspection, in fact, that has happened by the Election Commission officials of Rahul Gandhi's chopper. Now this, remember, is a standard operating procedures during the election season. An issue clearly was raised by Uddhav Thackeray, the UBT Sena chief, and after that we have seen how various leaders of Mahayuti have come out with videos suggesting that even their luggage, their choppers were inspected by the Election Commission. Let me go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast more on this. Tejshri, give us more details. Rahul Gandhi's helicopter was also checked, inspected rather, by the Election Commission officials in Amravati.
Well, yes, what we are getting to know is that the chopper of Rahul Gandhi was checked in Amravati, and what the officials are also telling us that, this is a routine procedure. And in fact, yesterday, remember that in Hingoli, the chopper of Home Minister Amit Shah was also checked. And also remember that this entire controversy started at a point when Uddhav Thackeray, the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, in fact, gave out a video, released a video on his social media handle X, and have alleged that this is intentionally being done. This is being done to target the Mahavikas Aghadi, particularly the Thackeray family, and then this is the politics of the BJP that they are going to lose in the state. That is why they are playing such petty politics. And in fact, not just once, but second time also, while his chopper was checked, at that particular point of time also, he made the video, he asked the name of the officials, so as to who are they, and in fact he said that no matter what, you check it, in fact it is your duty, whatever you are doing. But then he posted it and in fact slammed the government, the center government, for doing it so. But then we also saw the BJP leaders releasing similar kind of videos that their chopper is also being checked, and giving out a message that this is not a target, but this is not, they are not targeting anyone, but this is a routine procedure, and that Uddhav Thackeray is just making hue and cry out of whatever was done about the checking that was done of his chopper. Also remember that not only Nitin Gadkari's chopper was checked, but Home Minister Amit Shah's chopper was also checked, and that video was also released. We have seen two videos were released in which the officials were checking his chopper in Hingoli while he was there to address the gathering, the rally over there. And then today Rahul Gandhi's chopper was checked by the officials, and in the video we can also see that how the chopper is being checked. But yes, it is very much clear that it seems like it is a routine procedure. But yes, we are also seeing that the opposition is attacking and alleging and accusing the BJP for deliberately doing it. However, BJP is on the back foot as far as the entire matter is concerned. Back to you.
Right, Tejshri, request you to stay on with us. Let's now tell our viewers about the incident that happened with Rahul Gandhi's helicopter yesterday. Viewers, Congress MP and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi's chopper had to remain grounded in Jharkhand's Godda for around an hour. Now that was because of a delay in clearance from the ATC, or the Air Traffic Control. Now this was just around 80 odd kilometers away from Deoghar, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi had come for a rally close by. Now this comes ahead of the last phase of a high-stakes battle in Jharkhand, and calling it unacceptable, Congress party was quick to hint at a political sabotage by the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, Congress even wrote to the Election Commission in this particular case. Congress party has called it an attempt by the BJP to disrupt Rahul Gandhi's schedule. In fact, Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party even said that Prime Minister's campaign cannot take precedence over others, and there should be level playing field. State Election Commission has now sought a report on the delay in Rahul Gandhi's chopper. Meanwhile, the BJP responded to this entire controversy by reminding the Congress party of protocols that need to be followed when Prime Minister's choppers are involved. Listen in.
भाई प्रधानमंत्री जी जब होते हैं, राजीव गांधी का समय में भी किसी को रोक दिया जाते थे, मनमोहन सिंह का समय में भी किसी को रोक दिया जाता है। भाई आप इतना बड़ा व्यक्ति है, 15 मिनट हवा नहीं खा सकते हो। अगर झारखंड में आपको 10 मिनट ज्यादा रुकने का मौका मिलता है, उससे तो आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए। इतना बढ़िया हवा है, पानी है, जनता इतना प्यारा है। अगर कोई भी बहाना में आपको 1 घंटा और झारखंड में रुकने का मौका मिलता है, वो तो आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए, उसमें खराब क्या है।
उन्होंने यहाँ से टेक ऑफ का परमिशन नहीं दे रहे। क्या इस देश में प्रचार प्रसार करने का अधिकार सिर्फ देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को है कि या फिर विपक्ष के लोग भी प्रचार? इन्होंने हम लोग के खाते फ्रीज किए, कई तरह से लोकसभा में भी परेशान किया ताकि हम लोग एक बराबरी पर चुनाव न लड़ सके। आज फिर वही किया जा रहा है।
Now, viewers, sources have told Times Now that Rahul Gandhi's chopper movement was delayed due to Prime Minister's flight movement as per protocol. The airspace needs to be cleared before Prime Minister's flight movement. And because Prime Minister was just about 70 kilometers away from Rahul Gandhi, and as per protocol, a no-fly zone restriction was put in place. So the question that is now being asked is, why always question the procedure? Remember, a few days ago only, Uddhav Thackeray questioned the Election Commission officials for checking his luggage while he was on a campaign trail. And he had hinted at conspiracy. And now, a delay in clearance by ATC is also being seen as part of some agenda by the Congress party. In fact, Congress party has alleged that this is nothing but an attempt to disrupt Rahul Gandhi's schedule. Are netas above rules is the question that is also being asked today. Now, viewers, after Congress party alleged a conspiracy behind Rahul Gandhi's chopper delay, the BJP has now issued a statement slamming the Congress party for playing the victim card on every possible thing. It says some rules and protocols have been going on since Rajiv Gandhi's time. It has added that Rajiv Gandhi is full of lal batti. In fact, I beg your pardon, he says Rahul Gandhi is full of lal batti and VIP mentality. Listen in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी अब कितनी बार और हर विषय पर क्या विक्टिमहुड कार्ड खेलती रहेगी? देश में कुछ नियम, कायदे, कानून, प्रोटोकॉल है जो हमने नहीं बनाए, जो राजीव गांधी के समय से भी है, जो मनमोहन सिंह जी के समय पर भी थे, आज भी है। प्रधानमंत्री जब विसिनिटी में होते हैं तो बाकी किसी भी फ्लाइट को किस प्रकार की परमिशन देनी है, कैसे देनी है, नो फ्लाई जोन होना है, ये सारी चीज़ें कुछ नियम, कायदे, कानून के हिसाब से तय होते हैं। राहुल गांधी जी को 10-15 मिनट या कुछ देर झारखंड में अधिक बिताने क्या पड़ गए तो उनको इतना गुस्सा आ गया।
Let's now go across to my colleague Tejri, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Tejri, you broke the story yesterday, but now we know that the matter has gone to the Election Commission. Any word from EC yet on this particular issue?
Well, what we are getting to know is that the Chief Electoral Officer has already sought a report in this entire matter from the concerned officials, and the report will be sent to him, and then they will be, investigating the matter. But also, what our sources are telling us that, this entire delay happened because of the protocol that's been followed when there is a Prime Minister visits, or when the Prime Minister's chopper has to fly from one place to another. Now, let us talk about the distance between Rahul Gandhi's location and Prime Minister's location. So that distance was approximately 60 to 70 kilometers, and the time should be in between 30 to 40 minutes. And if Rahul Gandhi's chopper would have flown, then it would have violated the protocol, it would have violated the norms. That is why, according to the official sources, what Times Now got to learn is that this is the particular reason that Rahul Gandhi's chopper was delayed by 1 hour and 30 minutes, because Prime Minister's chopper was also, had some technical glitch, and that is why Prime Minister's chopper got delayed. But what we are getting to know is that Congress party has been saying that this has been done deliberately to stop Rahul Gandhi from campaigning, and he is the leader of opposition, and this should not have happened. And this particularly happened in the Godda district of the state of Jharkhand, where he was campaigning for one of the candidates. And also remember that Jharkhand is going to witness the second phase of polling. Now we'll also have to see, that how massive political controversy erupts as far as this entire matter is concerned, because after infiltrators, we are seeing this big political controversy just ahead of the second phase of polling in the state of Jharkhand. Back to you.
All right, Tejri, thank you for the moment for joining us.